So now that we have collected the relevant data, what do we do with it? A lot of the data may be in raw form, or it may be in a format that doesn't lend itself to an easy review. The total volume of the data may also seem insurmountable. So the next step is to process and cull the data to a smaller set of relevant data for review for responsiveness, privilege, issues, and production. Engaging an ESI vendor is the best way to process the data for production. What exactly does processing mean? In the Lexby eDiscovery platform, data processing includes several automated steps and then some additional optional post-upload processing steps that you can take to organize and present your data for review in a normalized and usable fashion. Processing that occurs automatically when data is uploaded includes conversion of the data to a normalized format, which is usually a PDF. It generates a PDF that allows redaction, annotation, and the like on the documents. Automatic processing is also going to include MD5 hash assignment and the assignment of placeholder files for files that aren't supported by the platform or for files that fail to generate a normalized PDF document. Automatic processing also includes expansion or unzipping of zip, RAR, inbox, and PST files, and includes the extraction of email attachments and the creation of email family relationships for efficiency in review in the platform. Relevant custodian information can be assigned during upload, and relevant metadata is extracted and populated into built-in data fields in the platform for searching and for filtering. Automatic processing also includes native text extraction and OCR to provide for greater accuracy in search results, and the creation of an index, which creates a searchable text index of the text and metadata associated with the documents. In addition to the automated processing that generally happens automatically upon upload of data, there are post-upload processing steps that you may also take. DNIST, deduplication, near duplication, and email threading. Those are 4 ways of culling the data, and we'll look at those in a bit more detail in just a minute. The assignment of case keywords for persistent highlighting across all the data is a post-upload processing step that you can take. You can choose to have important words in your case be highlighted in the text tabs of your documents so that you will be able to see quickly where your key terms are within those documents. Transcription of certain types of recorded data, image detection, sentiment detection, and document language detection and translation, and search term reports of keywords and auto-redaction are all post-processing steps that can be undertaken to reduce the number of documents that you have to review.